Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of these plays. Huh?
We gotta use your other phone.
It's dead.
Oh.
I'm using the pad. I'm gonna give it to you.
I trust it.
Okay, go put it on charge if you want to. You don't even know how to do that, but go ahead, try. So stocks closed higher today, guys, on cooler inflation report. As they say, this market was ugly. At the beginning, it was up over 500 points, and all of a sudden reverse mood change, right? And we're like, wow, what's going on? The market already oversold. We got inflation coming down. We got interest rates not going to be aggressive as they was before. You know, everything's falling in line, right? But the market is still being ignorant. And a lot of that got to do with, guys, because the market is still vulnerable to close the gap, to fall even further. But regardless if it fall further or not, it's ready to burst right now. Like, I like to talk on what's in front of us, and, you know, I let you know what's ahead a little further down the road, but I also like to focus on what's right here in front of us right now. And right now, what's in front of us is a bullish market, guys. Even, you know, analysts, it was saying today with the news that was disclosed, we should see we're setting up perfect for a bullish market. So as we know, guys, a lot of that got to do with, though, whenever you see great catalyst, great news like today, we're giving that market that go. Like, it's like, it basically was a green flag today. Like, okay, time to go. Imagine how much money was pouring into the market today. I'm talking millions, billions of dollars pouring into the market, and not even just to stay in the market, but just to take advantage of the meter to move and take advantage of the major spikes that's about to happen with these companies. Companies is about to spike 30, 40, 50% in a single day. And you look back, those same companies are going to be up 200, 300% in the past weeks and months. So they already know what's to come, guys, and it ain't really no stopping it, because whenever you take stocks down this far, over 97, 98, 99%, it ain't nothing but up from here. So as we know, though, don't take that and run with it, because we still vulnerable to come down lower. But even with us coming down lower, that's just, you know, even more crazy upside. So a lot of people is losing a lot of money with options. That's why I can't stress enough: aim small, miss small, be very meticulous with options, because that's another reason on why they hold the stock market back. The stock market see all these option contracts. What is it, babe? My charger? Go look in the room. My phone right there on the counter. It's on the counter. So that's another reason why the stock market be stagnant, or they trying to hold it back, or stocks don't do exactly what we need to do in a timely matters, because all these option contracts, thousands of contracts, they try to make them expire worthless out of the money, right? So with that being said, they'll hold these securities back until Friday, and when majority of the contracts expire, then that next week the market will boom. So you also got to take that in consideration as well, guys. So as we know, stocks did rise on Tuesday after release of new U.S. inflation data, while traders awaited for key Federal Reserve policy decision. So let's go ahead and take a further look at GME and AMC. So what GameStop's cash position says about the company. With over $1 billion and virtually no debt, GameStop cash position is one of the company's main assets for weathering adverse situations. So GameStop cash positions were boosted by the sales of $1.6 billion in equity in 2021. GameStop management has shifted its focus from expanding its tech presence to cutting costs and achieving profitability. Even though one GameStop bear predicts the company will run out of cash in 2025, we still think we think this is unlikely due to management plans. And with Ryan Cohen coming in with a new digital mindset, with changing the whole outlook of GameStop, they definitely does have a chance to, you know, withstand. And they was actually saved, like, saved by the bill. Just like AMC, retail investors came in and saved the day, but ain't nobody trying to come and save us. As we see with FTX scam, all these billionaires, big name people was losing money, so they come in, they trying to possibly give them some of their money back, probably. We'll see, though, how that unfolds. But anyways, what is GameStop's cash position? Oh, you actually got it, mama. You smart. You was a smart baby. How did you get that? Here, daddy will plug it up. Good job. So, yeah. All right, though, guys. Let me see where we left off. So what is GameStop's cash position? So GameStop currently sits on robust cash pile of $1.04 billion and has virtually no debt. In fact, GameStop has nearly 600 million more than what it had during the height of the pandemic. 600 million more. GameStop position was boosted by the sale of 1.6 billion in equity last year. This is because GameStop executives took advantage of the company's high valuation and choose to strengthen the company's coffers by diluting its float. So right here, guys, we also see, however, rising interest rates have forced the company to shift its focus. According to GameStop's chairman, Ryan Cohen, in the current high interest rate scenario, the value of short-term cash flows is much higher than that of long-term cash flows. GameStop has put aside its investments and tech capabilities for the time being, while it focuses on achieving short-term profitability and drastically cutting costs. So as we know, GameStop is trying to focus on actually making a profit. They laying off thousands of employees just like these other companies, and on the back end, guys, they'll make the workers that they got do a little more work, increase their pay a little bit, but not much to make them not profit off the layoffs that they had, right? So if I got 10,000 people for me and I lay off half of them, and the half that I lay off, I'm gonna save $5 million or $2 million in revenue and profits a month because I laid them off. I'm gonna have to give away a portion of that $2 million that I saved to increase the pay of the workers that I got left. But I'm still on the back end. If I just give away $500K to the employees I got left, I still profited 1.5 million times 12. Now they making over $13-14 million a year just off laying off a portion of their staff. But they got to make sure the staff that they got left is able to increase volume and work ethics. And the way you get them to do that is by paying them more. So you already know, guys, what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. You already know I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all.